Good day, everybody, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're kind of go down the rabbit hole. I have been chasing a transfer case whine noise for a while. Let's listen to this clip. If you listen, you can hear the transfer case noise. I'm 100% positive the issue is somewhere in the transfer case because of what I found here. There seems to be quite a bit of metallic file in there. You can see it swirl now. The screen definitely has some crap in there. Even smells baked, like even that bearing in there is gray. Let's finish just taking this out. There was a lot of metallic filings. The transfer case oil smelled burnt. The only thing I could think of, the oil pump tube was still connected, but something tells me that perhaps the oil pump may not be working, and that's what caused everything to shit the bed and kind of wearing down. However, I got the truck or the Jeep up on jack stands, so I got the front end off the ground. I dropped the drive shaft for the rear so I could operate the front. So the key is to run it without the rear drive shaft, front drive shaft spinning, see if we can recreate the noise inside the garage. Drop the front drive shaft and repeat it and see, because sometimes if you have a pinion bearing going or something else in the drive line, that noise can actually transfer up the drive shaft and go into the transfer case, and that might actually make you think that there's something wrong. Or it could be something perhaps like the torque converter, but I am leaning towards the transfer case for what I found earlier. I just didn't have a rebuild kit or anything at the time, and so I just threw it back together for the time being while I investigate some other things. So let's figure this out. Now, I dropped the front drive shaft, rear drive shaft. Gonna start it up and see if we can recreate that sound now. So with the drive shaft off, you can very noticeably tell that the sound is coming from the transfer case. Now, however, if you remove the front drive shaft and the noise didn't recreate, then the sound is most likely coming up from your front differential or rear differential, whichever one is causing the noise. it is very possible for a pinion noise to travel up the drive shaft, making you think it is coming from the transfer case. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. I'll see you guys in the next one.